So on Monday, Kaylee plans to run 12 miles and then wants to increase that by 25% on Wednesday. So if it's an increase, it's 100% plus 25% gives you 125%, or if we write this as a decimal, 1.25. So to figure out how much it's going to be on Wednesday, we're going to multiply the 12 times 1.25, and that will equal what she runs on Wednesday. So 12 times 1.25 gives you 15. So now on Wednesday, she's at 15, and she wants to increase that by 25%. So once again, she's going to multiply by 1.25 to figure out what she's going to be running on Saturday. And when you multiply that out, you get 18.75 miles. For assessments, don't type in miles, just type in 18.75.